The lunch menu is so bad today.
What is the cafeteria serving?
Leftover meatloaf and Brussels sprouts.
That is disgusting.
I'm thinking of buying something from the vending machine.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What's wrong with the vending machine?
It steals your money.
Vending machines can't steal.
Yesterday, I inserted $1 and no food came out.
I think I'll just go to the cafeteria.
Meatloaf and Brussels sprouts sounds good right now, right?
I am so nervous for the class presentation.
Don't be. You're so smart.
I know, but I don't like big audience.
Do you want my advice?
Of course I do.
Imagine the audience in their underwear.
That is insane.
It really works.
Have you tried it?
Yes, I got an A on my presentation.
I'll try it then.
You can do it. Tomorrow is show and tell.
Yeah, I know.
I am bringing my new purse for show and tell.
Purses are boring.
No, they're not.
Well, I'm bringing my dog.
You can't bring dogs to school.
No one has to know until tomorrow.
You are going to get into so much trouble.
But I'll be the coolest kid in school.
You won't be saying that in jail.
I am not falling for that.
Did you get a partner for the geometry project?
I am still looking around.
Do you want me to be your partner?
I am sorry, but I do not.
What is wrong with me?
You're known as someone who is very lazy.
That is so not true.
Well, it's what I heard from our classmates.
You can't always trust people.
You do make a good point.
Give me a chance, and I won't let you down.
Okay, I trust you. Mom, can you buy me a laptop?
You are only 13.
Everyone in school has one.
They must be rich then.
I really need it.
What do you need it for?
I want to bring it to school for homework.
Aren't there computers at school?
They are way too slow.
Back in my day, there were no computers.
I hate it when you say that.
I hate it when you ask for things.
Excuse me, aren't you in my math class?
Yes, I think I am.
Could I please borrow your notes?
Sure, but please hurry with them.
I will. I only want to look over them.
We went over some of the new material yesterday.
Was it very difficult?
It was not too different from what we learned.
Did the teacher mention the test?
The test will be next week.
Thank you for your help.
Sure. Good luck studying. I wish I was a cheerleader.
Why do you want to be one?
Cheerleaders are popular.
Popularity is not important.
If you're popular, everyone knows you.
I think you have been watching too many movies.
No, I have not.
You can be popular in other ways.
What other ways?
You could just be nice to people.
That is so hard.
This is why you are not popular. I'm planning to put gum in Miss Miller's hair.
Why, why would you do such a thing?
Because Miss Miller gives too much homework.
She is so nice, though.
I do not care.
You might get suspended.
What does that mean?
It means you have to leave school for a while.
That's the punishment?
Yes, it is worse than detention.
Suspension sounds like a vacation to me.
Say that to your parents. I have 5 classes and 40 hours of work weekly.
Your life is so stressful.
Sadly, it is.
I am only taking 2 classes.
Do you have work?
I am too lazy to work.
Don't you want money, though?
My parents are rich.
My parents are poor.
I'm sorry to hear that.
They're poor but honest, good people.
Good for you. I am so hungry.
I am hungry too.
How many more minutes until lunch?
30 more minutes.
That is too long.
I know. I hear your stomach growling.
Do you have any food in your backpack?
I have a bag of chips.
Can I have some?
Maybe next time.
Wait, why not now?
Because I'm going to eat the chips.
Do you live in the dorms?
Yes, I do.
What do you like about it?
I get to see my friends almost all the time.
What else?
I don't have to see my parents.
How much does it cost to dorm?
It is very expensive.
Tell me exactly how much.
You're going to faint after I tell you.
Just tell me.
It costs $15,000 per year.
Are you excited for the first day of school?
No, I'm very afraid.
What is to be afraid of?
I am afraid of the teacher.
But you haven't even met her yet.
I have heard bad things about her.
What bad things?
I heard that she doesn't let anyone laugh.
That is ridiculous.
The older kids told me that.
They are just trying to scare you.
Oh, really? Thank goodness.
I have never seen you before.
I am a new student.
Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
I love Japan.
What do you love about it?
I love the food, the culture, and the location.
I could show you around someday.
That would be so fun.
But first, can you show me around here?
It would be my pleasure.
Let's start after school. Did you finish the math project?
I have not started.
But it's due tomorrow.
I thought it was due next week.
Do you even pay attention in class?
I guess not.
Do you know where to start?
Not at all.
I can help you.
That would be awesome.
I'll help you at my house tonight.
I'll be there.
Did you bring the pie chart for our presentation?
You're going to be mad.
What did you do?
I forgot the pie chart.
How could you forget?
I am so sorry.
Where is it?
It is at home.
Are your parents at home?
My mom is at home.
Ask her to drop it off.
I will call her right now. I am doing poorly in my history class.
What is your grade?
I have an F.
You need to do well on the final exam.
I am planning to study.
That did not work all the times before.
What do you think I should do then?
Look at the smart person's test answers.
But that is cheating.
What other choice do you have?
I would rather fail the class than cheat.
You're a good student. I have a book report.
What book are you doing it on?
I have to read To Kill a Mockingbird.
That is an excellent book.
That is good to know.
Do you have the book yet?
I am planning to get it soon.
You should borrow it from the library.
What is the library?
You have never heard of the library?
I have never heard of it.
At the library, you can borrow books for free.
Hey, you're in my English class.
Yes, I am.
Did you buy the textbook yet?
No, it's really expensive.
How much is it?
The original price is over $200.
We could buy it from a former student.
We could also buy the used version.
That is a great idea.
I will give you the website to buy used books.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
When are you going to register for classes?
My registration date is next month.
That is terrible.
Yeah, it is very late.
Mine is next week.
Why is your date so early?
I am a student athlete.
Maybe I should play a sport.
Soccer tryouts are tomorrow.
I don't like soccer.
Would you rather have a late registration date?
I actually would.
How many classes did you manage to get?
I only got 2.
I only got 1.
There are too many full classes at this college.
I never get the classes I need.
Have you tried asking the professor for a spot?
That doesn't work all the time.
At this point, we will graduate in 10 years.
That is so early.
What are you talking about?
I think we will graduate in 15 years.
You are funny.